I never thought noodles and eggs could make such a good breakfast. Hello, food lovers. Today I'm making this simple noodle egg omelette that turned out so crispy and delicious. Let's get started. First things first, we're going to boil our nala noodles until fully cooked. We're going to add in water, of course, let it boil, and then we're going to add in our nala noodles. And they are ready. Now we're going to drain all the excess water. Now we're going to heat some oil. We're going to be using 2 eggs. We will whisk them together, and then we're going to add in our noodles, and they will look like that. And our pan is ready. Now we are going to go in with our mixture. That is of course for nala noodle and our eggs. We're going to let it cook until golden. Then we're going to carefully flip it to cook the other side. Once it's ready, now we're going to remove it from the pan and cut it into pieces. Now look at that. And of course I served mine with beetroot juice. If you enjoyed this breakfast idea, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more simple recipes. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one. Bye, food lovers.